Hey there friends, welcome back. This tutorial you will learn microphone icon missing on keyboard. Don't worry, here's how to easily back on. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open any search or messages area. Here your keyboard is appear. After your keyboard appear, you can go to the keyboard toolbar and try to find the microphone icon. If you found them, this is great. However, keep in mind, if you don't find the microphone icon in the keyboard toolbar, don't panic. You can easily restore back on. To do it, simply tap on the settings gear icon. Once you are in the keyboard settings page, scroll through slowly, look at the voice typing option, tap to open them. After that, you can find the toggle switch. Right now this option is turned off by default. Simply turn it on first. After it enable, so return to the keyboard appear menu, and this time you can find this microphone icon appear in the toolbar. To use it, simply tap on it, then easily use them. That's it guys, you have successfully done. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribing to my channel.